Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Juan Piscina. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a quick keyboard / piano tutorial on the song Run to the Father by Cody Carnes. It's in the key of C in 6/8 time and it's 157 BPM. That is the tempo that I recommend it at. Now, let's jump in this really quickly. So the intro chord progression is the same chord progression that you will go to the majority of verse 1 and verse 2. And believe it or not, even for the instrumental tag that leads in, that separates the chorus, it's right between the chorus and verse 2 and the chorus to the bridge. And also, this is the same chord progression that you will do for the chorus. So let me repeat it again. The intro chord progression is for all the verses and for the chorus and for what I call the chorus tag. So it's very simple, 4 chords. You're gonna play a C for 6 counts, 1 measure. And then the second measure will be a D minor 7. You can add that nice 4 in there to kind of give it a little bit more color. Then after that will be a minor 7. And then you can do a F major. To add a little color, I like to add the 6 and the 9. So it would sound like this. Very beautiful. So this is how the chord progression will go and comping normally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C. 2, 3, 4, D minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. Repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very simple. That is the chord progression for the verses and for the chorus and for the chorus tag. So, singing it, verse 1 will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I carried a burden for too long on my own. I wasn't created to bear it alone. I hear your invitation to let it all go, and I see it now. I'm laying it down. Know that I need you. And then it goes directly into the chorus. So chorus, same chord progression as the intro. It goes like this. So when you go, I need you, I run to the Father, I fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend. So I run to the Father again and again and again and again. And when you hit this again, same chord progression for the instrumental tags, which go with the O's. So the tag will go like this after you hit that C. Whoa, whoa, oh, whoa. And then you can go back to verse 2, which all you got to do is follow the melody from verse 1, same chord progression, and you got it. So this chord progression for the bridge is going to go like this. You're going to have the same. It's very similar to the intro kind of chord progression where there's a chord for every measure. So the 4 chords go like this. A minor 7. Then it's going to be F major. For color, again, you can add the 6 and you can add the 9. Then it's going to be C over E. And then lastly, G. So going from the chorus tag to the bridge. Whoa, whoa, oh. Running into your arms is running to life from death, and I feel this rush deep in my chest. Your mercy is calling now. Just as I am, you pull me in. I know I need you now. I run to the Father, I run into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend. So I run to the Father again and again. I run to the Father. So you see how I went from, once it went to the F, again and again, that again and again, to lead back to the chorus again. If you want to repeat the chorus and vamp the chorus a couple of times. On the song, what he does is that he changes the lyrics. Instead of saying my heart needs a surgeon, he says my heart found a surgeon, my soul found a friend. And so I'll run to the Father again and again and again and again. And basically the ending is that the chorus tag. Again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. And you can repeat it again and again and again if you want that chorus tag as well. So basically, guys, that is a quick keyboard piano tutorial on the song Run to the Father. If it has been helpful, please leave a comment, please leave a like. Thank you guys again. I just want to say thank you for helping us. My wife and I are very grateful because you guys have helped us reach over 400 subscribers. Keep it coming. We are really grateful, and we're really hoping that this channel blesses you guys, and we definitely want to see you guys enjoy our channel. And soon we will do more covers with my wife singing, more piano instrumentals that I have been doing, and more of our Jump in the Piscina series. So thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time.